Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? Today's probably going to be a short one. I got an unboxing. I think I know what this is. And sorry for the sizzling sound. I'm cooking dinner while I'm doing it. Oh, it's not what I expected. I actually thought it was something else. This is a present for my little bro. I thought it was something else. It is a Golden State Warriors. So I actually thought it was something else. So yeah, and Golden State Warriors match shirt. So this is going to be nice for my bro. In here. Nope. So yep, that was the unboxing. Comment below what you think. Like and subscribe. And if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.